If you're over 60 and have started to notice that your legs don't feel as strong, steady, or energetic as they used to, you're not alone. Many older adults in the US experience this, and it can be frustrating, especially if you've always been active or independent. Weakness in the legs doesn't just make it harder to get around, it can affect your balance, your confidence, and even your ability to enjoy simple daily activities. But here's the good news, it's not always just aging. There are gentle, natural ways to give your legs the support they need, without turning your life upside down or forcing yourself into heavy workouts. One of the easiest and most effective methods is through certain types of tea. These aren't ordinary teas you drink just for flavor, they're backed by research and loved by older adults around the world for their ability to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and boost natural energy. Today, I'm going to share some of the best teas you can add to your daily routine to help keep your legs stronger, more comfortable, and more dependable. And before we get started, I'd love to know, where are you watching from right now? Just drop your city or state in the comments below. You might be surprised at how many people here share your journey, and your own tips might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Tea number 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea, one of the most trusted natural remedies for supporting strong, healthy legs as we age. You see, over the years, our joints, muscles, and blood vessels go through a lot, walking, climbing stairs, bending, carrying groceries, and even just standing for long periods. By the time we reach our 60s, all that wear and tear can start to show up as stiffness, swelling, or soreness, especially in the knees, ankles, and lower back. A big reason behind this is inflammation, which is your body's natural response to stress and strain. Even if you haven't had a recent injury, inflammation can build up silently over time, making it harder for your muscles to stay strong and for blood to flow smoothly to your legs. This is where ginger and turmeric come in. Both of these roots have been used for centuries in traditional medicine because of their powerful healing properties. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols, which help improve blood circulation and ease the tightness that can come from poor oxygen flow to your leg muscles. Better circulation means more nutrients and oxygen reach your muscles, helping them stay energized and less fatigued. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that works right at the source to calm irritation in your joints and tissues. When these two are combined, they become a powerhouse for keeping your legs flexible, comfortable, and ready to move. Another bonus is that ginger supports your body's ability to turn food into energy more efficiently. This means you're less likely to feel sluggish after meals or need an afternoon nap to get through the day. And unlike coffee, this tea won't give you the jitters or cause a crash later, just steady, natural energy that helps you stay active. Making ginger turmeric tea is simple. Slice a small piece of fresh ginger, add about a teaspoon of turmeric, fresh or ground, and pour hot water over it. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Adding a pinch of black pepper can help your body absorb turmeric's benefits better, and a little honey or lemon can make the flavor more pleasant. Try drinking 1 cup each morning. Many people notice after just a week or two that their joints feel looser, walking feels easier, and there's less of that heavy, sore feeling in their legs. It's a small daily habit that can add up to real improvement in your mobility and confidence. Tea number 2. Ginseng Green Tea, a gentle but powerful choice for anyone who feels their legs get tired halfway through the day or struggles to keep up with daily activities. As we get older, it's normal to notice a drop in stamina. Maybe you find it harder to walk long distances, climb stairs without stopping, or even stand in the kitchen for a while without feeling worn out. While some of this is part of aging, much of it comes from the body's reduced ability to use oxygen and energy efficiently. That's where ginseng and green tea make such a difference. Ginseng is a root that's been used in traditional medicine for generations to fight fatigue and strengthen the body. What makes it special is that it's an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle physical and mental stress more efficiently. Even the normal, everyday strain of moving around, standing up, or carrying things puts stress on your muscles and joints, and ginseng helps reduce that hidden strain. Studies have shown that ginseng can help muscles use oxygen more effectively, which means you can keep moving for longer before feeling tired. Over time, that extra endurance can make a huge difference in your leg strength. Green tea adds another layer of benefits. It's rich in antioxidants that protect your muscles and joints from damage, and it contains a unique compound called L-theanine. This helps keep your energy steady and your mind focused, without the overstimulation or sudden crash that coffee can cause. Green tea also gives your metabolism a gentle nudge, which can help you feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. Making ginseng green tea is simple. Steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root, or about 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder if that's easier to find, and let it steep for another 5 minutes. Add honey or lemon for taste if you like. While it's not an instant fix, drinking this tea daily can gradually improve your circulation, help your muscles stay stronger for longer, and give you more motivation to stay active. You may start noticing that your legs don't give out as quickly, and everyday tasks feel a little easier, a clear sign that your body is building back its stamina. Tea number 3: Ashwagandha Root Tea. If you've been feeling not just physically tired, but mentally and emotionally drained too, ashwagandha root tea could be exactly what your body needs. As we age, our muscles, joints, and nerves have to work harder just to keep us moving. On top of that, life stresses, from poor sleep to health concerns, can leave us feeling heavy, sluggish, and less steady on our feet. One of the hidden reasons behind this is a hormone called cortisol. While cortisol is useful in small amounts to help us handle stress, having too much of it for too long can actually weaken muscles, increase belly fat, and make your legs feel slow and unresponsive. Ashwagandha is another powerful adaptogen, but it works differently from ginseng. Instead of giving you a quick energy boost, it focuses on bringing your body back into balance so it can recover properly. It gently tells your system, "You're safe, you can rest now." Once your body relaxes, it can start rebuilding muscle, improving coordination, and restoring the connection between your brain and your legs. This is especially important for stability. If you've ever stood up and felt wobbly or like your legs aren't quite listening, weak neuromuscular signals could be part of the problem, and ashwagandha helps strengthen those signals. One of its biggest benefits is how it supports deeper, more restful sleep. Nighttime is when your muscles do most of their healing and rebuilding. If you're waking up tired or feeling stiff in the morning, it may be because your body isn't getting the recovery time it needs. Drinking ashwagandha tea in the evening can help calm your mind, relax your muscles, and set you up for true overnight repair. To make the tea, simmer about 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. You can add a pinch of cinnamon or a bit of honey for a more comforting flavor. Some people prefer it in the morning for calm, steady energy throughout the day, while others find it works best in the evening for better rest. The key is consistency. Over time, you may notice you feel less anxious, more stable, and more confident when moving. Your legs will benefit not from being pushed harder, but from being given the right environment to heal and get stronger. Tea number 4: Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea might seem simple, but for older adults, it can play a surprisingly important role in keeping the legs comfortable, relaxed, and ready to move. As we get older, it's not uncommon to feel muscle tightness, cramping, or a heavy sensation in the legs, especially after walking, standing, or even sitting for too long. One of peppermint's secret strengths is a natural compound called menthol. This gives it that refreshing taste and smell, but more importantly, menthol acts as a natural muscle relaxant. It helps ease the tension in both the muscles and the nerves, which can make a big difference if you deal with cramps or stiffness. Another way peppermint supports strong legs is through digestion. This might not sound directly related at first, but when your digestion is sluggish, your body can feel bloated, heavy, and low on energy. More importantly, poor digestion means your muscles, including the ones in your legs, aren't getting all the nutrients they need. Peppermint tea can help your digestive system work more smoothly, allowing your body to absorb nutrients better and supply your muscles with the building blocks they need for strength and endurance. Peppermint also has a gentle effect on circulation. By improving blood flow, more oxygen and nutrients can reach your leg muscles, helping them feel more energized and less fatigued. And unlike caffeinated drinks, peppermint tea won't cause energy spikes or crashes. It gives you a calmer, steadier kind of refreshment. To make peppermint tea, you can steep a handful of fresh peppermint leaves or a peppermint tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It's naturally sweet, so there's no need for sugar, but you can add a slice of lemon or a few fennel seeds if you want extra digestive support. You can drink it hot in the winter for warmth or enjoy it cold in the summer for a cooling, revitalizing drink. Many older adults find that a cup after meals leaves them feeling lighter, less tense, and more comfortable moving around. Over time, this can mean fewer cramps, better mobility, and more energy for the activities you love. Tea number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is one of the most calming herbal teas you can drink, and for older adults, it offers more than just a peaceful moment before bed. Many people over 60 struggle with poor sleep, tossing, turning, or waking up multiple times during the night. The problem is, nighttime is when your body does most of its repair work. If your sleep isn't deep and restful, your muscles, including those in your legs, never get the full chance to recover, which can lead to stiffness, soreness, and weakness over time. Chamomile contains a natural antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in the brain to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. This helps you drift into sleep more easily and stay asleep longer, without the grogginess that some sleep aids can cause. The more consistently you get quality rest, the better your legs can heal from daily strain and rebuild muscle strength. But chamomile's benefits don't end with sleep. It also has gentle anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease discomfort in joints and muscles. For someone dealing with arthritis, swelling, or post-activity soreness, chamomile can offer quiet relief from the inside out. Its mild muscle-relaxing effect can also reduce nighttime leg cramps or that restless, twitchy feeling in the legs, allowing you to wake up feeling less stiff and more ready to move. Making chamomile tea is simple. Steep dried chamomile flowers or a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can drink it plain, or add a little honey or warm milk for extra comfort. The best time to have it is about an hour before bedtime, so your body has time to unwind and settle. However, you can also enjoy it during the day whenever you need a moment of calm. Over time, adding chamomile tea to your nightly routine can lead to deeper sleep, better muscle recovery, and a noticeable improvement in how steady and strong your legs feel. It's a gentle habit with big rewards, helping you wake up refreshed, confident, and ready to take on your day. Tea #6 Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is not only beautiful to look at with its deep red color, but it's also a powerful ally for keeping your legs strong and your energy steady as you age. One of the biggest challenges many older adults face is poor circulation. When blood doesn't flow as well, your leg muscles can tire quickly, feel heavy, or even cramp up. Hibiscus tea is naturally rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help protect your blood vessels and keep them flexible. This supports better circulation from head to toe, ensuring your leg muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. Another major benefit of hibiscus tea is its gentle ability to help maintain healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure can strain your heart and blood vessels, making it harder for blood to reach your legs efficiently. By supporting healthier circulation, hibiscus tea can help reduce swelling, fatigue, and that weighed down feeling in your lower body. Many people also find that over time, improved circulation means less coldness in the feet and toes, a common issue as we get older. On top of that, hibiscus is naturally hydrating and can give you a mild energy lift without caffeine. It's also packed with vitamin C, which supports collagen production, important for keeping not just your skin healthy, but also the connective tissues in your joints and muscles. Making hibiscus tea is easy. Steep dried hibiscus petals or a hibiscus tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The flavor is slightly tart, like cranberries, so you can add a little honey or even mix it with a slice of orange for natural sweetness. You can drink it hot in the cooler months or iced in the summer for a refreshing, health-boosting drink. When enjoyed regularly, hibiscus tea can help you feel lighter on your feet, more energized, and better supported in your daily activities. By improving circulation and reducing strain on your heart, it gives your legs the foundation they need to keep carrying you with strength and confidence. Strengthening your legs after 60 doesn't have to mean hours in the gym or exhausting routines. Sometimes, the most powerful changes come from the smallest, most consistent habits. Each of these teas, ginger turmeric, ginseng green, ashwagandha root, peppermint, chamomile, and hibiscus, offers its own unique way of supporting your circulation, reducing inflammation, calming your mind, and helping your muscles recover. They're easy to prepare, enjoyable to drink, and gentle enough to fit into any lifestyle. More importantly, they work with your body's natural rhythm instead of pushing it beyond its limits. Over time, you may find yourself walking with more ease, standing with more confidence, and feeling more energized to enjoy the things you love. The key is consistency. Make your tea time a daily ritual, a small act of self-care that reminds you your health and mobility are worth investing in. You've given so much to others, now is the time to give back to yourself. A stronger tomorrow can start with something as simple as a warm, nourishing cup today.